Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project LED switching using 555 Timer IC. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, two LEDs, one 470 ohm resistor, two IC555, some connecting wires, one 9-volt battery and a battery snapper. First of all, take IC555, keep the notch point on the left side and place both the IC555 on the breadboard. Now connect pin number 4 and 8 of both the ICs together. Similarly, connect pin number 2 and 6 of both the ICs together. Now connect the pin number 1 of both the ICs to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 of both the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 3 of first IC to pin number 2 of the second IC. Now take a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Connect terminal 1 of potentiometer to positive rail of the breadboard. Connect terminal 2 of the potentiometer to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now connect the wiper terminal, that is middle terminal, to pin number 2 of the first IC. Take one 470 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to pin number 3 of first IC. Now take one LED, the longer terminal is positive terminal and a shorter terminal is negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of LED to the another terminal of resistor and negative terminal to pin number 3 of the second IC. Now we have to connect second LED but in a reverse order. So take second LED, connect its positive terminal to the pin number 3 of the second IC and negative terminal to the another terminal of 470 ohm resistor. Now let's connect a battery. So connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive line of the breadboard and a negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. So as you can see, the red LED is turned on and the yellow LED is off. When you rotate the knob of the potentiometer, the LED will get switched. The yellow LED will turn on and the red LED will turn off. So I am rotating the knob of the potentiometer. As you can see, the LED are just switched. Now the yellow LED is on and the red LED is off. Now let me rotate the knob again in opposite direction. Now the LED has switched. So this is how you can switch the LEDs with the help of 555 Timer IC. So this is how LED switching using 555 timer project is going to work. Thank you.